fun idea to get together, you know, 5-6 times a year to enjoy some camaraderie and wine and food and merriment, and so far so good, don't you think?
Yeah.
Officially, we have about 80 gals on the roster. 80. Thank goodness they're all not here, or we'd be all on top of each other. Really hefty deodorant to cover up the blue cheese, the chocolate, and okay. So just a couple of quick notes. If you don't know Kathy, she's the one with the camera, and she's always next to the wine. And she's the prez. And behind her, in the corner there hiding, is our VP, Susan Fiore. And over here with the other camera is Linda Hertz, membership coordinator. And tonight our treasurer, Sue Hart, is across the street with her box of Kleenex, and she's sick as a dog. So she's sick as a dog.
And Renee,
sick as a cat.
And Renee is our
membership and events, or no, I'm events, she's membership. MC and all around